Imagine this. The observable universe contains more galaxies than there are grains of sand on all the beaches, all the deserts on all of Earth. Think about that for a moment. Every single star in our night sky, every galaxy we've ever observed, and billions more we haven't, all vastly outnumbering something as seemingly infinite as grains of sand. That's the mind-bending scale we're about to explore. Join us as we journey through the cosmos, attempting to grasp the truly colossal. We begin, as we always must, at home. Earth. Our planet, a familiar sphere of blue and green, feels immense to us. To drive around its equator would take you weeks, traveling thousands of miles. To fly across it, hours. Its diameter is nearly 8,000 miles. For our human brains, this is already a vast distance, the very limit of our everyday comprehension. But our journey outward has only just begun. From Earth, let's step out into our immediate neighborhood, the solar system. The first notable jump in scale is the distance to our moon, roughly 240,000 miles away. If you could drive at highway speeds, it would take you about 160 days to get there. But that's a trivial stroll compared to the Sun. The distance from Earth to the Sun is approximately 93 million miles. This immense gap is so fundamental to astronomy that it's given its own unit, 1 astronomical unit, or AU. To put this into perspective, if you were to drive 60 miles per hour from Earth to the Sun, it would take you a staggering 177 years. This is where light speed becomes our essential measuring stick. Light travels at 186,000 miles per second. So, sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. To get to Mars, it's typically around 12 minutes. Jupiter, about 43 minutes. And out to Neptune, the furthest major planet, over 4 hours. Even then, you haven't left our solar system. The outer reaches, the Oort cloud, where comets originate, could be up to a light year away. The distance light travels in an entire year. Now, let's zoom out again, far beyond the Oort cloud, to the true scale of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our solar system is just one tiny speck within this colossal spiral of stars, gas and dust. The Milky Way is estimated to contain anywhere from 100 to 400 billion stars. Each one a potential sun, many with their own planetary systems. The true immensity comes when we consider its size. The Milky Way spans approximately 100,000 light-years across. This means if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross from one side to the other. Our Sun is located about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center, nestled in one of the spiral arms called the Orion Arm. To put this into a different perspective, if our entire solar system were shrunk down to the size of a single atom, the Milky Way galaxy would still be roughly the size of a football field. The nearest star to our Sun, Proxima Centauri, is still over 4 light-years away. That's a journey of over 25 trillion miles, even for light. The vastness between stars is almost incomprehensible. But the Milky Way is not alone. It's part of a local group of about 50 galaxies, including our much larger neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, which is a staggering 2.5 million light-years away. These two giants are on a collision course, destined to merge in billions of years. The local group, in turn, is merely an outlying member of an even larger structure, the Virgo supercluster. This supercluster contains over 100 galaxy groups spanning over 110 million light-years across, and even the Virgo supercluster is just a tiny part of an even grander cosmic structure named Laniakea, our home supercluster, which stretches an incredible 500 million light-years across and contains the mass of 100,000 Milky Way galaxies. Imagine cities of galaxies scattered across a universe almost beyond measurement. All of these clusters and superclusters are just fragments of something truly immense, the observable universe. This is the portion of the cosmos from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang. Its current diameter is estimated to be around 93 billion light-years. Yes, billion. And within this inconceivably vast sphere, Scientists estimate there are at least 2 trillion galaxies. That's 2,000 billion galaxies, each potentially containing hundreds of billions of stars. This is where our opening hook comes back. More galaxies than grains of sand on Earth. It's not just a poetic statement, it's a scientific estimation of the sheer scale of reality. So, why do these numbers feel so abstract? Why do we struggle to truly feel the immensity? Our brains evolved to navigate a world measured in feet, miles, and days. Our immediate environment is all we truly need to process for survival. The distances to the Moon, let alone to other galaxies, are so far beyond our everyday experience that they break our cognitive frameworks. 1 million is a big number. 1 billion is just more big. Our intuition simply doesn't have a reference point for trillions of stars or billions of light years. We can intellectualize it, but the true emotional and sensory grasp remains elusive.